Hey everyone, I made it into Costco. Look right here, we have teriyaki stir-fry udon. Now this is going to be $5.99, no limit. This one ends on the 22nd. And then on top we have the steam bums barbecue pork, and this one's going to be $8.89. $10.89. We have truffle fettuccine. So I had tried truffle fettuccine just recently, and honestly, the one I had I felt like didn't have enough truffle flavor. This is $10.89. Also, you could freeze it, so very good, product of Italy. And the lobster ravioli, which I say is always good to have in your freezer, $10.39 here. $14. We have chicken risotto with spinach, no antibiotics, and it will be organic. $11.99. Pasta ravioli, chicken and mozzarella is $11.99. And $17 for chicken marsala, no antibiotics. So we have Boulder chicken green chili soup. You will get 2 in here for $13. And then Thai style coconut chicken soup. This one is $12.99, and this one is the Kevin brand if you're a fan of Kevin. I tried the gravy and the stuffing. For me, I didn't really care for it. Okay, what is this one? $10.99, a vegetable and a barley. Lobster bisque. Okay, $8 on a cold rainy day. Put it in a bread bowl. Only $8. And this one ends on the 22nd. We also have crab and corn chowder for $11.99. Gluten-free, made with real crab meat. I'm not a fan of seafood, but my family is. I don't think they ever tried crab with corn in like a corn chowder. If you have tried it, let me know about it. The keto bar is $8.99, ends on the 22nd. So, starting that New Year's resolution, if you want to try it, 2 gram net carb, no added sugar. And only $11.99, you will get 18 bacon wrapped stuffed jalapenos. No limit, ends on the 4th. The English muffin turkey and sausage is $10.99. There is a limit 10, ends on the 22nd. CLR, the lime rust remover, is $10.50 here. Downy is $10.79. Your limit is 2, ends on the 22nd. Pine Sol all-purpose is $13.79, which I feel is like a really good deal. Plus you get 2. Let's see, 152 loads. Your limit is 2, you guys. It's going to be 20, ends on the 22nd. Swiffer heavy duty wet. These are 15. Your limit is 2, ends on the 22nd. I'm honestly don't use the Swiffer anymore, really. I feel like it leaves a lot of streaks. I don't know if they changed it up or whatever. But every time I use it now, recently, a lot of streaks on the tile. Okay, and this one is $17.89, and you will get 50. The dusters are $13.89. Your limit is 2, ends on the 22nd. If you want to get in on that meal prep, it's $7.99, and of course you get 25. $9.59 for Dawn. I always feel like Dawn will always have like a deal on it. Your limit is 2. Now this one's going to be a new one for me. $8, a plant-based dish soap. I've never seen this one in Costco. So this one dramatically went down in price. Only $2.97, and you get 20. So stock up for maybe next year. Next Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year. You get 20 for $3. Shelf liner is $22. And the broom gripper, a 4-pack, is $15.99. And it does come in handy. I did recently put one in my laundry room, and it comes in handy. Over here is $9.89. You get a 5-count. Ends on the 22nd. Poopery is $15. Ends on the 11th, and your limit is 5. Febreze ends on the 22nd. And your limit is 2. $6.89 ends on the 22nd, and your limit is 6. The apples are $8. Your limit is 60 days. Ends on the 22nd. If you are a fan of sardines, okay, $7.69. Your limit is 10. Ends on the 22nd. Boneless, they are in olive oil. Listerine ends on the 22nd, and your limit is 3. I do wish it was a non-alcoholic. Now here we have body oil for $25. The Method Gel Hand Wash Trio is $15.99. And Home and Body Soap, you get 4 in here. You got sweet orange, pear, coconut vanilla, and lavender for $12. And by Lancome, we have the toner with honey. Gonna be $36. There we go. And Pixie Glow Tonic is $29.99. And of course, you get 2 large ones. And this set here is going to be $25. You have the Hydro Boost Cleanser and a refill pack. An Estee Lauder Daywear Matte Oil Control. The gel cream is $37. Hello Kitty is $17. Here we go. And you know what? They also have Cinderella limited edition. Let me pull one out. And the brightening serum is going to be $25. Your limit is 5. Ends on the 25th. And $22 ends on the 22nd. Your limit is 4. Day or night cream. And the Hydro Boost, if you're a fan of it, I mean, it's only $20 and you get 2. Ends on the 22nd. Your limit is 5. I mean, it is cheaper than Walmart. I'm honestly not a fan, but hey, you get 2 for $20. Full size, not a bad deal. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.